Hello nail girlies, and welcome back to another video. Nails by Terravana. I don't know when this is going up, but if it's during the Christmas time, happy holidays. Hope you stay safe and have fun with your family. So this is going to be a pretty quick haul. It's a small haul from Temu and then even a smaller haul from Shein. So let's go with the Temu haul. So the first thing I picked up is a 5-piece dotting tool. I was shopping on Temu. I had already processed my order for Shein, and I went on Temu and I had forgot I needed these, and so I just picked them up from Temu. But normally I would pick these up from Shein because they're cheaper. But it's just a 5-pack of double-ended dotting tools. And if you want me to try any kind of nail technique that you've seen, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. I like trying new stuff, so yeah. But this is just a 5-pack of double-ended dotting tools that have like these little glitter flakes. These two were much needed. I needed a nail palette so bad. I was just using random things that I found around the house. But I picked up this nice pink and gold one. And it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like the little tiny one. But it's, you have like the milky pink. And on one side you have the glitter. But yeah, I love these. I try to clean them every time I use them because I don't want any dried gel on my palettes. And I threw away my other ones when I moved. So that one was much needed. Then the next thing from Temu is this 10-pack of rhinestone trays. I needed these too. So yeah, so when I'm doing sets, or either, you know, when I'm trying to sort out designs, what I'm going to do, these will definitely come in handy. You get 10, I think it was like $1.50. Much needed. I'm going to definitely be purchasing more of these. Okay, and of course I got them in pink. Everything in here is pink. Then next I got my pink little drill holder, portable drill holder. I needed this also, much needed. I needed this because I got a new drill. This is my old drill, as you can see, and this weighs a good 50 pounds. And I have been seeing all the girlies with the cute portable drills, and I was like, oh my god, I have this big clunky drill. I want a small cute portable drill. So to hold my portable drill, I got this holster from Temu, and then of course I had to get a portable drill. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I'm gonna be able to use it. I've been holding this for a few weeks, and I finally get to do this video, and so I can use it. But yes, this is so much better than my old drill. I'm gonna show you the size comparison. But I got it in the metallic pink, or the rose gold, I think they call it. It is so cute. Look at the size difference. Like, oh. So yeah, this is the main motor. It has the clip on the back. It has all the little things so you can attach your handle for your little holster. It has a display and knob. Let me turn it on. Okay, it goes all the way to 35, which is pretty good. And then I don't think it's touchscreen, but it is. But you can use the little handle to turn it. And here's the forward, reverse, pause, and then to turn it off. This is gonna be so much better. And next, you get the little holster for it. I don't know if I'm gonna be using this. I'm really not sure if I'm gonna be using it. But basically, you just attach it. Let me show you. just attach it like that, and you can set your handle in there. Let me show the handle. And then this is the first section. It comes with a bottom part, which I'm gonna show in a second. But oh my gosh, I love the feel of this. You can tell it's good quality. It has a nice, it's not heavy, it has a nice feel to it. It's not like cheap plasticky, but it doesn't weigh as much as this one. But I love the quality, the color is super cute. And so basically it'll look like that. And then it comes with standard bits, like all nail drills come with standard bits. And I'm not going to use any of those. The only one in here I'm going to use is the manual for the sanding bands. And I use purple sanding bands. I think they're $220 or $240. And then in the bottom, it comes with the cord to plug up your handle. So you can plug up your handle. And don't throw this away, ladies. When you get a new drill, they help put this in here. To, it's kind of like a standby thing, so you won't get anything in your drill. I like to use those when I'm done with my drill for the day. It comes with the charging cord. Of course, you need a brick. If you have a cell phone that requires a brick, you have a lot on hand. I don't like the fact that the charging cable was so short. This is a Type C, so I have a longer Type C charger that I'm going to be using, but it's not that long. It comes with a free little pink dusting brush. These come in handy. I love these. They all work. They all work the same to me. You get a set of bits. Again, I won't use these, but I'll keep this case though. I'm gonna definitely keep the case, but this is for like pedicure stuff, which I don't use my drill for pedicure stuff. So I won't be using those, but I'm definitely gonna keep this case. And then the last part, which is my favorite, it comes with ceramic bits. When I saw this, I could not believe it. The only bits I use are ceramic and tourmaline. And I'm so happy it came with 3 ceramic bits. So you get the cuticle small flame. And it comes with the little rim things to keep dust from getting in your hand drill. But this is a nice little cuticle bit. And then it comes with a barrel. Ooh, a barrel. A 332 barrel. Oh, I love these. And then it comes with the flame, which is the cone shape. Love it. And that is it for my little Temu haul. Next, I'm going to show you the few things I got from Shein. Of course, I got more drill bits. So when I saw the listing on these, they look different, but I don't know. They look different. This is number 6. It doesn't say what it is, but basically it's just a cuticle bit. Basically what I'm gonna use it for. And it looks like that. This is a number 21. And it's kind of like the one that I got with my drill. Where'd it go? It looks like the small flame. Oh, it says medium. It's a medium barrel. Same. Let me see. Okay. Okay, they look similar, but they're not the same. You can clearly see they're not the same, but the red one is a small flame, and then this one is a medium barrel, and it also comes with the stopper in blue. So this is a cuticle set. So it comes with a cuticle cleaner, really nice and fine, and then it comes with 2 cuticle balls. I like to use the cuticle balls because they don't hurt when you're cleaning up cuticles. If you don't like to cut, this is the best option. If you don't like to cut cuticles, just use a cuticle ball because they don't hurt. And we got 2 different sizes, 2 different grits. If you want the links to anything, don't hesitate to ask, and then I'll just put it in the comments or in the description. Okay, that is it for all my bits. The last thing, I got 2 molds so I can make 3D charms. I got this bow mold. If you can't tell already, you didn't practice it with it, but you make a lot of different super cute bows. There's a piece of red glitter on my nails. It will not leave, so. But yeah, you can make a lot of different types of bows. And then this one is like butterflies, dragonflies. There's like thin butterflies, dragonflies, a half a butterfly. I think I really like this one the most, the half one. But yeah, it's a bunch of different butterflies. I have a lot of stamping plates coming, more molds coming, and I think more gel polish, more supplies. I also bought a mat so you can't just see paper towel all the time. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.